The Nightingale and the Qarqunoq. Once upon a time, a man taught words to two birds, a nightingale and a qarqunoq. The nightingale has learned one word, and the qarqunoq has learned 30 words. One day the nightingale and the qarqunoq met. The nightingale asked the qarqunoq, "Did you learn words?" "Yes," said the qarqunoq. "I learned not one, but 40 words." "Come on, try saying the words you have learned," said the nightingale. The qarqunoq counted all his 40 words one by one. "Did you learn words too?" asked the qarqunoq. "Of course," answered the nightingale. "I know 41 words." Nightingale added the 40 words she had just learned from the qarqunoq to the one word she knew and counted. Thus the nightingale entered the garden as a nightingale, qarqunoq regretted and went out to the deserts. Dear children, if you listen to the fairy tale well, answer the questions based on the fairy tale. How did the nightingale tell the 41 words? What kind of birds do you know?